Hey there YouTube, Bronco Outdoors here. With every video we get up on this channel, we're getting one step closer to turning the Bronco into the ultimate adventure vehicle. And well, today that's never been more true. Today we're going to be checking out how to install kayak racks and mount up a kayak on top of the Bronco. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, stick around. Let's get started. First thing we are going to want to do is make sure we have roof racks. And we want to make sure these roof racks are installed properly because we definitely don't want our kayaks flying off in the middle of the road. If you have a Bronco Sport and are in need of some aftermarket roof racks, I will drop the link in the video description to the ones I have here, which are pretty good for the money and will get the job done. Now that that is out of the way, we want to pick up our kayak rack to mount to these roof racks. Likewise, if you're looking for a kayak rack, I've had a great time using these from Field & Stream, so if you're interested, be sure to check the description. These racks are all installed with finger nuts, so you really won't need any special tools to get this rack up, and it won't take you much time at all. Each part of the rack will be installed with 2 cross braces, 4 finger nuts, and 4 screws. Putting the mount on top of the roof rack, we can start by inserting a screw into each of the 4 holes. Next, take the cross brace and thread it onto the 2 screws that are across from each other with the roof rack in the middle. Then we can take the 4 finger nuts and thread them on. I find it easiest to start threading it by spinning the screw on the top first, and then once you have all 4 of them on, you can come back and fasten everything down using the finger nuts. Next, we can take the other side of the rack, which you'll only need if you're planning on having 2 kayaks on your vehicle. We're going to pretty much follow the same steps: 4 finger nuts, 2 cross braces, and 4 screws. Threading the 4 screws on, we can follow the same steps that we used for the other side, and we'll have this done in no time. Alright, we are all done installing the kayak racks on top of our Bronco. As you can see, it was pretty simple, maybe about 15 minutes of work, and we are all done. Now let's go ahead and cover how to mount kayaks up there. So, let's get to it. Step 1 is to get the straps that the kayak rack has come with. You'll need 2 straps if you're mounting 1 kayak, and 4 straps if you're mounting 2. First thing you'll want to do is loop the straps one time around the top portion of the rack, then set them so that the front strap lies down the front of the vehicle and the back strap lies down the back. Now, we are all ready for the kayak. Next, we will want to slip the straps up over the kayak, making sure that we're still around the top portion of the kayak rack. Now we can securely attach the straps by taking the tag end, going down through the kayak rack itself, then under the roof rack, and then back up the kayak rack. Now we can stick the tag end of our strap through the buckle and cinch it down. Now we can repeat the same steps for the back strap. Down through the kayak rack, under the roof rack, and back up the kayak rack. Into the buckle, and cinch it down. Then we can just securely fasten the tag end, and before you know it, we're all done.
Alright, we are all done. We have our kayak rack mounted, our kayak mounted. We're ready to haul it down to the river, to the sea, across the country, wherever it may be. We are ready for some super fun adventures. I don't know about you, but I do not want to waste any more of this beautiful day. So that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day. Bye-bye.